It doesn't matter if you trade options or futures. The Daily Sniper, the #1 Discord for day trading in the world. We will teach you guys how to be self-sufficient traders. We have a 50% off deal happening right now. Use code MONEY at checkout, MONEY. Save yourself 50%. Let's get into today's video. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it. Today was a crazy day. Monday was a whatever day, and then Friday was a massive day. I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking. So I didn't end up making a video over the last couple days because I didn't like the price action, and I ended up taking a personal day yesterday. So let's look at the trades we ended up taking today. As you know, SPY had the last gap to fill at 564.86. First thing in the morning, guys, we ended up getting puts. We brought this to 564.86. The gap, we filled it in hours, ended up hitting calls, made a freaking bag on this trade. Dimitri ended up hitting puts on the lower high and absolutely crushed it again. Big shout out to Options Doctor. Guys, he ended up getting puts at the exact high of the day today. Other than that, I didn't like today's price action. I ended up hitting calls as soon as we came down to 562.94. First reaction, guys, I ended up getting for the gap close reversal, hit the calls, boom, that was it, a one and done trade. If you have been following me for the last little bit, I just started my first top step journey. I am teaching and live trading futures, a funded account with Top Step. I have 3 accounts, 3 50K accounts that I'm taking my time with. I am going to fund, and I'm going to be pulling out, God willing, I'm able to do this. I'm going to be the test rabbit and make sure that all these trading platforms are legit. There are a lot of people out there without capital, so that is the reason why I decided to do the Top Step Challenge. I'm going to show you how to pass it, how to pull out money every single day. The link is in the bio. So what are we looking at for tomorrow? Easy. Tomorrow's FOMC. You know what that means? Don't fucking trade. That's it. Do not trade tomorrow. Take tomorrow off. It's going to be very volatile. But if you do want to trade, let's go over the levels we're going to be trading, okay? So, first things first, guys, we have 564.86. The next level I'm going to be putting up in here is 565. That's the only level I'm interested in, guys. This small range right here. The next levels we're going to be watching, big level, 563 is a massive level. Let's look to the downside. If we end up breaking 561, it's going to be a free fall to 559.45, pretty much 560, okay? After that, it's going to be an empty pocket all the way down to 560.59, right? That's what I'm looking at. If the news is very bearish, I'm expecting a 50 basis point deduction. If that happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's what the media is expecting. Usually everyone's right when they talk about the 50 points. So I think we're going to be dropping by 50 basis points, in my opinion. And I also think that regardless of whatever news comes out, it's going to be bearish. That's what I'm thinking. Honestly, that's exactly what I'm thinking. I think regardless of whatever the Fed does tomorrow, FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Eastern time is going to be bearish, right? Worst case scenario, we end up breaking the highs of today, 566.58, and we go to the mid 570s, 580s. That's what I'm anticipating to the bullish side. To the downside, I see us retracing all the way back down to 550 from the levels we're trading at right now. So I'm going to be playing it by ear. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be live streaming on YouTube because we don't know where we're going to open in the morning, guys. It's most likely going to be sideways price action till 2 p.m. But remember, any big move that happens to the upside or the downside, it's most likely going to reverse before 2 p.m. So don't get overly bearish. Don't get overly bullish. FOMC. I'm going to be live on YouTube. I'll probably get on. I know I said the morning. I meant afternoon. I'm probably going to be on around 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. Live on YouTube. And we'll be trading this together, guys. Again, I'm trading Top Step and options. I'm trying to teach people that there is a way, potentially, if this company ends up being legit, to be able to day trade without having a lot of capital, guys. That is the main purpose of this. So, what do we look at? 565 is a wicked level for puts. For calls, 559.45. In between those levels, guys, to the upside, I'm not trading. As soon as we make all-time highs, we have 0 levels, no point of trading. Let the chart develop, and then we can make some trades. To the downside, we have 1,000,000 levels. First level, we have 559, 45, and 560. That's all I'm watching. So, that's it for today's video. Remember, 50% off deal happening right now with the Daily Sniper. Use code MONEY at checkout. We will teach you how to pass funded accounts, and we'll teach you how to grow a small options account to be able to feed yourself for the rest of your life. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.